Good morning, students. Yes, today we will see how to calculate profit if there is minimum guarantee given by a partner to any other partner. Guarantee is given by some partners to one partner, then how we calculate profit and how to make and how to distribute PL appropriation account profit in the PL appropriation account. So see a question, there are three partners A, B and C and their sharing ratio is 5:4:1 and minimum guarantee to C is given for rupees 5,000 and deficiency borne by A and B equally. Profit for the year ended, financial year ended, that is rupees 40,000. A, B, C तीन पार्टनर्स हैं, इनकी शेयरिंग रेशियो 5:4:1 है. मिनिमम गारंटी इज गिवन टू सी. सी को मिनिमम गारंटी दी है 5,000 रुपीज की कि एटलीस्ट 5,000 रुपीज प्रॉफिट तुम्हें मिलेगा. और दिस रेंट इज गिवन बाय ए एंड बी. इफ एनी डेफिशिएंसी, अगर उसका प्रॉफिट 5,000 से कम होता है तो डेफिशिएंसी विल बी बोर्न बाय ए एंड बी. ए और बी दो पार्टनर्स, ये दोनों उस डेफिशिएंसी को पूरा करेंगे. और कैसे करेंगे? इट इज गिवन इक्वली. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we calculate how much profit they each have given. For this we have to do working note first. Working note for the calculation of division of profit. So A's share in profit according to their sharing ratio, this is 5:4:1, means total 10, 5/10. 5/10 into total profit, that is 40,000. So this amounted to rupees 20,000. The same way B's share in profit, this is 4/10 into 40,000. This amounted to rupees 4/10 means 16,000. And next, third part is C. Its ratio is 1. So C's share in profit equals to 1/10 into 40,000. This is amounted to this 4,000. But C is given a minimum guarantee of rupees 5,000. Now it's calculated and come to rupees 4,000. So the rest of the 1,000 will be given by A and B equally. It is given equally कि A और B दोनों equally ये 1,000 rupees share करके उसको देंगे C को. So C will get, now see the adjustment how we calculate and how to make the complete profit of C is up to rupees 5,000. Add rupees 1,000 in the profit of C and it is borne by A and B equally. So A and B इन दोनों का हम 500 amount profit कम कर देंगे. Reduce the profit of A and B by rupees 500 each because they borne the deficiency equally. So in this way, at the last, A get 19,000. Finally, A get 19,500 profit. B will get 15,500 profit, and C will get 5,000 profit. Finally, this profit will be given to all the three partners. Now see how to make PL appropriation account. This is PL appropriation account. यस, इसमें हम लेंगे सबसे पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक बाय पीएल अकाउंट से हमारे पास प्रॉफिट आया 40,000 रुपीज टोटल एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट दिस प्रॉफिट टू ए बी एंड सी. टू एज कैपिटल प्रॉफिट 20,000 था बट रिड्यूस कर टू बीज कैपिटल. This is 16,000 उसका प्रॉफिट था शेयरिंग रेशियो के हिसाब से, बट he will get 15,500 and to C इसके कैपिटल जाएंगे 5,000 रुपीज. In this way, this profit will be distributed after adjusting the minimum guarantee which is given to C by A and B, both the partners. Now see how to make journal entry about regarding this. So for journal entry, see this PL appropriation account से पहले तो PL अकाउंट से PL appropriation अकाउंट में अमाउंट आई. So एक एंट्री फॉर दिस PL अकाउंट डेबिट to PL appropriation account. This is 40,000. Now पहले हम ये एंट्री बनाएंगे PL debit to PL appropriation account. Now come to the distribution of profit in this PL appropriation account. PL appropriation account debit to A's capital, to B's capital and to C's capital. This is amounted to rupees 19,500, 15,500 and this is 5,000. In this way, we will make the journal entry regarding the distribution of the profit from the PL appropriation account. So that's all for today and have a nice day.